Unboxing the Navimow i-Series Plus 4G module is an exciting experience, as every component is carefully designed to ensure a seamless setup and optimal performance. Special thanks to Navimow for sending us the sample. If you are interested, be sure to check the link in the video description. Upon opening the box, you'll find the power supply and its extension cable, essential for providing reliable power to the mower. To keep everything neatly in place, the package includes pegs to secure the extension cable, ensuring a tidy and organized installation. The charging station and installation kit serve as the foundation for the mower's operation, providing a dedicated space for automatic recharging. To ensure positioning accuracy, the antenna kit and GNSS antenna are included, working in tandem with Navimow's RTK Plus vision technology for precise centimeter-level navigation. The extension cable for the antenna allows for flexible placement, ensuring optimal signal reception even in challenging environments. For maintenance and longevity, the package contains spare blades and bolts, allowing users to replace worn parts easily and keep the mower performing at its best. Additionally, silicone pegs are provided to mark the location of the charging station for winter storage, making seasonal transitions smooth and effortless. One of the standout components is the Navimow Access Plus module, which enables 4G connectivity and anti-theft protection. With this feature, users can monitor and control their mower remotely, ensuring peace of mind and enhanced security. Every item included in the package is thoughtfully designed to support a smooth and efficient lawn care experience, making the Navimow Plus 4G Module Access Plus a truly innovative and user-friendly robotic mower.